Order of operations. This is explored in Stage 3 Multiplication and Division 2, applies the order of operations to calculations. This includes number sentences involving more than one operation, involving mixed operations, and operations including grouping symbols. Operation is the process of combining numbers or expressions. In the primary classroom, this involves addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. An operator is a symbol for these. Ensure students avoid using plus symbol and engage with the language of operator. This content is building on students' prior knowledge of the inverse relationship between operations, where one operation undoes what was done by the previous operation. The syllabus specifies an order of operations, but what is this order? Here are the principles which guide how we order operations. Addition and subtraction only. Solve from left to right. Division and multiplication only. Solve from left to right. Operations with grouping symbols. Perform operation in grouping symbols first. With mixed operations, perform multiplication before addition. Teachers often teach this content through the acronym BIDMAS, or BODMAS, or PEMDAS. The BIDMAS acronym stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The I for indices is Stage 4 content involving square roots and powers. Therefore, take caution in using a strategy where its complete meaning has to incorporate higher content beyond Stage 3. Teachers frequently use mnemonic devices to remember this. Whilst this isn't syllabus specified, it is a very common strategy to teach this content. However, these actually fuel misconceptions. BIDMAS breaks the order of operations into 6 sequential steps. Since D comes before M and because A comes before S, BIDMAS promotes the misconception that division takes precedence over multiplication and addition takes precedence over subtraction. This representation can be used to avoid misconception, as it removes a sense of hierarchy within these two relationships, and because they are adjacent operations, they should be performed left to right in the number sentence. Lesson 1. By splitting the class in half, show 2 number sentences, both with the same numbers but with different operators to each half. Students present answers and encourage reasoning why they are different. Lesson 2 embeds the use of calculators as a self-assessment strategy to challenge students' thinking about what they are putting into the device. They question whether they need to include brackets or rearrange a number sentence prior. This allows common mistakes made with calculators to be investigated. Lesson 3 includes tasks that allow students to rearrange flashcards of numbers and operators within a number sentence to work towards a target solution, emphasizing the order of operators and the use of brackets to change the solution. Therefore, do not focus on memorization, but focus on investigation and intentionally making mistakes with the order of operations, so students can identify the need and principles of this content.